In this lesson, we're going to look at how to calculate the wave function examples with multiple angles. So looking here, we've got write 5 cos 2x minus 12 sin 2x in the form k sin 2x plus alpha. So the difference here is the fact we've got a multiple angle, 2x and a 2x. All that happens is that you rewrite the wave function formula here with a 2x. The rest is pretty much the same. If you had a 5x here and a 5x here, then you would rewrite the wave function formula here with a 5. So let's look at how that pans out. So first things first, let's multiply the bracket out using the addition formula. So we're going to have sin cos cos sin in this example, and the sines will stay the same. So k sin 2x cos alpha plus cos 2x sin alpha. Multiply through by k and take your cos alpha to the front. So k cos alpha sin 2x plus k sin alpha cos 2x. Now since I've taken them to the front, I can compare coefficients, and that's what we're doing next. So let's look at this first, k cos alpha. That's the coefficient of the sin 2x part. So we're going to look up here and see the sin 2x part. Now the coefficient in front here is a 12, but it's a negative 12. So k cos alpha is equal to negative 12, which means cos alpha is negative 12 over k. I'm then going to look at k sin alpha, and I'm going to go to the cos 2x, because this is the coefficient of the cos 2x, and we'll compare that by looking up here. We can see that's a plus 5. Because that's a plus there, then k sin alpha was just going to equal 5. So we put that there. So sin alpha is equal to 5 over k. We can then draw a right angle triangle to work out k, and it's already filled in here. Sin is opposite over hypotenuse, that's your opposite side in hypotenuse, and cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, that's your adjacent side in your hypotenuse. So Pythagoras, square root of 12 or negative 12 squared plus 5 squared, that's going to be 144 plus 25, which is 169. So it's square root of that's 13. So that's us worked out this value for k. The next thing we have to do is work out our alpha. So I'll just rewrite these two parts here because I'm moving the screen down. We can see here that cosine is negative. I've got negative 12 over k. So I need to tick which quadrants the cosine is negative. So that would be the S, the second quadrant, and the T, the third quadrant. Sine here is positive, so we have to tick where the sine is positive, and that would be here and here. And then we choose the quadrant with the two ticks to find out where our phase angle is in. It's the second quadrant. So I've got my tan alpha is 5 over negative 12. Work out your relative acute angle, or your base angle, by inverse tan 5 over 12, the positive value, and that comes out to be 22.6. And because our phase angle is in the second quadrant, you go back from 180 to get that. And that's 157.4. We can then rewrite this here in the format above with our k and our alpha. We'll keep the 2x here and a plus and a sin. Everything stays the same. We just replace the k with the 13, and we replace the alpha with the 157.4.